What the hell? Beat him! Hey, you fucking birds! Oh, he got it!
Oh, he's gonna die. He's like, it would be beast to fly, wouldn't it?
How did he do that?
Spectacular.
Come on, no score.
All of them will swarm to it.
Hey, you fucking birds!
Oh!
It's so beautiful!
Hey, don't again. I want to see. They go in, yo. These niggas go in.
Hey, birds!
I don't even think they can
Watch them attack us.
They're like, no, take E, not me.
Yeah, they're coming. They're starting to get a lot of them. It's not all fun. Whoa!
You gotta throw it up. Throw it up and then pull it. Throw it up further. It's like,
It's too close! How did that one?
Let me see.
there you go, throw it up. Yeah, they catch it in the freaking air. Throw it up, throw it up. Oh, good catch.
That one's strike, I mean.
All right, ready?
All right.
There's none of us in it.
Oh, well, my birds.